Okay, so the first thing you do is you make sure that there's safety stands under the truck when you're doing this, and you take off the nuts off the wheel. Now you remove the wheel from the truck.
First, you take the valve core out. Okay, make sure you put the valve core, that small thing, somewhere safe because it could get lost very easily. First, you make sure this thing is aligned between the rim and the tire. Make sure your hands are away from the Alright, now you put the tire on there and make sure these things are between the rim and the tire. Right here. To the machine. Push the tire down. The tire won't fall off. The arm down between the rim and the tire. Lock it so it won't move. Now what? Now just
put the soap all around. You know what I'm saying? All around, okay?
And use this lever thing, put it right on.
That's how you do it. Now,
turn it.
Turn it.
And then I put your dick in there.
Next step is what you're doing on. You're gonna speak right now.
Put that shit on the bottom of it. Lift the tire on one end.
Spin it again.
Spin it.
Now you're done.
You have to put it back on.
Stop. Stop.
Alright, now we're gonna put the tire back onto the rim. So you push it down while it's turning. And you keep pushing and turning so that the tire will be on the rim again. Like that. And you loosen this, put the arm back up, push that thing so it can take the tire off. Alright, now we're going to put the valve core back on so that we can put air back into the tire. And you make sure it's tight. Now you turn the air on and put the air hose into the valve core. And put the air back into the tire. Now you put the air hose onto there. Make sure it pops. Okay, and once you hear that pop, then that means you're done. And then you use the soap again around the rim. And if you see bubbles, then that means there's air leaking out. And now you just flip the tire and do the same thing with the soap. Now you put the tire back on the truck. Now you put the bolts back on. Now you use this, put it on the bolt, and tighten it. And that is how you do a tire removal. Bum buckler.